Hello again, everyone. Welcome back. Alright, so we have another challenge lock here, sent to me and pinned by West Coast Picks. Thank you for this lock. This is a 6-pin arrow. It works, really smooth. This one works nice and smooth. It's got pretty good bidding on it. I picked on this lock a couple days ago. It was a pretty tough pick too. There's a lot of room in the bottom of this keyway, and that's where I have to work from. I can't tension it because then I'll be working off the tension wrench. I'm going to use top of the keyway with this Z-bar I filed down at 50 thousandths, but there's so much room it's hard to get leverage to get the first couple pins in this lock, like 1 and 2. You got to get leverage, and it's hard to get them. But we're going to see if we get it open again and see what he put inside for us. Alright, let me start in the back maybe. I very rarely start in the back because I do a lot of padlocks and it's usually the first one. I think I just got a little bit off of 3. Okay, that was pin 6. Got a little bit of a false set. Some feedback from, I believe that was 3. I might have set him because now he's not giving me no more counter rotation. I think I'm on 2. Might have got a little bit from him. Maybe that was 3. Nothing up front. Maybe pin 4. Alright, might have got a little bit from him. So nothing up front. I think I'm on 3. I'll check more down here. I'm getting some feedback from 3. Still nothing up here. Oh. I don't think that was good. Alright, I got it back on 4. That was a deep one on 3. I don't know if that was too deep. Alright, that was pin 4, I think. We got a little bit more of a false set. Got a pretty deep false set, actually. Might only be looking for that one more pin. Maybe this one right here, 2. No, I got even a deeper false set. I got a real deep false set now. Ooh, don't lose it. Darn it. I don't think I lost anything. That is a deep false set. Oh, and we're open. Whew. I think that's the second time I did that to a lock. I lost a tension wrench right on an opening. I believe that was pin 3 that I got that opening on. Yeah, that was a pretty tough lock. That keyway is a little difficult to work with. But I want to see what's inside it now. Zooming in back there. Alright, what kind of clip is this? Let me lock this up. We'll lock it up. See if we can't get this clip off. Maybe 2 screwdrivers. Alright. Got the clip off. I probably should shim it. Yep. Alright, let's see what we got. Yep, definitely 6 pins. See if I get that for you. Try it again. My hand back of it. Oh yeah, we got some goodies in there too. Yep, they're all working. They're all below the shear line. We got some deep threading in there. Got some good stuff. Alright. So pin 1. Come on. We have a T-pin in 1. 2, we have a serrated. 3, we got a nice spool. 4, we have a, maybe that's a pin and pin, I think. I'll check that one out in a minute. That one might be a pin and pin. 5 is a serrated. And 6 I think is a lightly serrated. Yep, 6 is not serrated. But I think this one is a pin and pin. Yes, it is. 4 is a pin and pin, serrated. In the core here we have chambers 3, 4, and 5 are deeply threaded. And up here, let's see what we got up here, guys. Tweezers. If I can focus that in. Alright, let's see what we put up here for us. We have, is that serrated, or is that a pin and pin? Oh, it's serrated, I guess, or something like that. Got a very light spring in that one. I can get it off my tweezers. Very light, stretched out. Alright, pin 2. We have a nice double spool, or a nice spool, serrated. See if I can get that spring out. Oh, he ain't coming out right now. I'll get him in a minute, maybe. Let me get the pins first. Ooh, we got a pin and pin. Number 3. Oh, came out like that. Nice serrated too. I'll show you that in a minute. I think I could get that spring out. Alright, maybe not. Alright, 4, we have a nice spool serrated in the middle of the spool. 5, we have a spool with a T-top, T-pin top. And 6 is, okay, that was on top. And this was on the bottom, near the spring. So it came out like this. Another pin and pin. Nice. Alright, I'm going to see if I can not dump them, but see if I get these springs out one by one. Maybe, let me see. I like to dig them out because I know they always put different springs in them now, and that's a very small spring in 2. Number 3. Another light spring. Number 4. They're all very light springs, not coiled very tightly, I should say. But we have a copper spring in 5, and I think another copper in 6. I can get them out. Yes, we do. Different copper, very tight one. So all the springs are different. Well, maybe a couple in there might be the same. Up here, I don't think he did anything up here unless it's very light. Nope, I don't think anything done up in the bottom. Alright, let me see if we get a quick look at these. Bring that down for you. Alright, focus it without getting too dark on me. So in key pin 1, we got a T-pin, then we got a serrated in 2, we got a spool, kind of serrated at the bottom in 3, real deep in the middle. Then we got a pin in pin, number 4, a nice serrated pin in 5, and another serrated in 6. Up on the top here, that one's a pin in pin too. I don't think so. Alright, so we got a serrated in 5, one serration in the middle. Then we got a nice double spool serrated. Then we got another pin and pin. In 3, I think that came out of there too, right? Yeah. Oh no, that goes that one. 4 is a nice spool. 5 is a nice spool T pin on the top and serrated on the bottom. And 6 is another nice pin and pin. And all the springs are a little different too. Awesome lock. Thank you very much for this lock, West Coast. That was exciting. It was fun. And yeah. Alright. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And for everybody else, if you don't have their permission, don't open it. Thanks, guys. Bye.